just wanna feel comfortable in my own skin. In my mind, false visions conquer the world I'm in. Obsessed with feeling beautiful, something my mind just won't fulfill. Mascara crawls down my face as I write this. Sitting here naked, wishing I could stop it. But why do I let myself get like this? I'm sorry I ever felt like this. I was built from scratch, now I'm crumpled up. I tried my best just to love myself, but I can't help but feel like this. Like pinkies crossed, I broke my promise. This flood of tears sweep me away. Maybe I would think I let go.
take a sip from the cup of chance. We're both so young, and baby, we've got time to face our fears, make our dreams come true. We both know what we want and what we've got to do. I don't know where the road will go, but baby, we can find out. If you trust me, you will know. It'll all unfold. I don't know where the road will go, but baby, we can find it. We can find that pot of gold. Find that pot of gold. Gold. Find that pot of gold. People talk, oh people talk. They don't like what we have got, oh baby, you and me, but we don't care what the world will say. We will find our way, regardless of what they say. I don't know where the road will go, but baby, we can find out. If you trust me, you will know. It'll all unfold. I don't know where the road will go, but baby, we can find it. We can find that pot of gold.